What is the difference between the Canon 545 black cartridge and the 545 XL black cartridge? Well, as you can see, both of the cartridges are physically the same size and they retain compatibility with all the same printers, so there's no need to worry from that perspective. The standard capacity black contains 8 milliliters of ink, and the XL, or the high capacity, contains 15 milliliters of ink, almost twice as much. When it comes to page yields, the standard black cartridge prints an estimated 180 pages, and the XL cartridge 400 pages, just over twice as many prints, and a much lower cost per page for an original cartridge. So inside of the cartridge, as you can see, there's like a half sponge, and the rest of the cartridge is taken up by the protruding plastic from the lid. Now this cartridge is empty, but let's take a look at the sponge to see where that ink has stained it. You see there's room for potentially a little bit more in there, but what sponge there is inside there filled it quite nicely. When it comes to the XL, you can see the sponge in there is much larger, with less protrusion from the lid, and that 15 milliliters of ink had filled that sponge quite nicely. And if you were interested in these or any other remanufactured or compatible products, you can find them all listed on our website. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.